Hello! If you are new to my channel, my name is Barbie, and today I'm gonna be talking about one of my absolutely most loved, most favorite crystals, Citrine. I have these two beautiful pieces here from my personal collection. I pulled these straight out of my money bowl. Today we are gonna dive into the golden glow of Citrine. Citrine is the stone known for its connection to abundance, positivity, and creativity. All things you need if you're on your feminine energy journey. Whether you're new to crystals or are looking to deepen your knowledge, I'll cover everything you need to know about the beautiful crystal Citrine, including its usage, healing benefits, cost, mining location, how to spot fakes, and even how to use Citrine for money manifestation. Let's get started. Citrine is a variety of quartz known for its warm, golden, sometimes champagne, sometimes amber cognac coloring. It comes from the French word citron, meaning lemon, reflecting its sunny, uplifting energy. Natural citrine is relatively rare, but it is absolutely loved in the crystal community for bringing abundance and joy. So if you're wondering how you can use citrine in your life, there are so many different ways to incorporate it. Here are a few ideas. Manifestation and abundance. That's what I personally use it for the most. You can place citrine in your wallet, by a cash register if you own a physical business. You can place it in a money bowl, which is what I do. And if you want to learn more about my money bowl, I made a full YouTube video on that, and I will link it in the eye above and the description box down below. Citrine will help you attract financial abundance. You can also use it for energy cleansing work. It's one of those crystals that can really help boost creativity. You can also use it to cleanse negative energy, and it should help you with your overall happiness. Citrine is also known as the sunshine or happiness stone. You can also use citrine in your meditation or yoga practice. You can hold it during meditation to enhance focus and bring a sense of optimism. I love using citrine on any new moon, but it's perfect to include in your yoga practice, especially if you want to boost the mood or bring happiness into your practice. Another way you can use citrine is jewelry. I personally want to get some citrine jewelry pieces so I can wear a reminder of abundance and happiness with me at all times. Wearing citrine can bring you positive energy. It'll keep you uplifted and happy during the day, and it also is a perfect piece to wear to a gem show or any kind of business meeting where you're making financial decisions. It should help guide you or make you feel abundant when you're attending meetings that have to do with finances or any business meeting. And don't forget, citrine is one of the few crystals that actually doesn't need any cleansing at all. It's said to transmute negative energy all on its own, which makes it extra powerful. So next, let's get into the healing benefits of citrine. Known as a stone of abundance, citrine is said to have many healing benefits. Emotional well-being is the first one. It promotes joy, self-confidence, and a positive mindset. I swear by this stone for my positive mindset. It's one of the ones I turn to whenever I want to enhance my positivity. It's also one of those that I go to grab when I'm in a bad mood. Chakra alignment is the next thing citrine is amazing for. Citrine is connected to the solar plexus and the sacral chakras, making it the perfect boost for personal power and creativity. Next is physical support. Some believe citrine aids in digestion and metabolism, aligning its association with vitality. If you're looking to bring a little sunshine into your life, especially as winter is coming very quickly, I highly recommend citrine in your life. Next, we're going to be talking about money manifestation with citrine. So if you want to use citrine for money manifestation, you're gonna want to set an intention. Hold your citrine closely and clearly state or write down your financial goal or goals. For example, I attract financial success and opportunities that align with my highest good. You can also create a prosperity altar. You can place your citrine next to symbols of abundance, like dollar bills, coins, or anything that signifies abundance in your life. I do this with my money bowl. I have a money bowl that's full of the Lucky 7 ritual, which if you haven't heard of the Lucky 7 ritual, head over to Chakra Gem Jewel's Instagram page. Felicia is the owner and she explains it in her Instagram highlights. It's a really fun ritual to start if you're brand new to money manifestation, and she also sells kits to get you started. You can also keep citrine in unique spots in your home to help you manifest wealth. You can put it in your wallet, near any bank statement. You can put it at your desk or office or place of business. I have tons of citrine in my crystal room and my crystal office. I have also heard to not place citrine in your bedroom because it is a high vibe crystal. It can actually keep you awake at night. I used to have tons of citrine in my bedroom, and now I've put it in different places in my house so it can work better for my energy. And the next thing you can practice with citrine is visualization. During meditation, imagine a golden light radiating from the citrine, filling your life with abundance and opportunities for financial success. Visualization is so powerful when it comes to manifestation. Citrine works best when it's paired with your most positive mindset and clear intentions. Remember, it's a tool to amplify your energy, so stay focused on your goals. And I 100% know manifestation is very much mindset. So if you're in a very stressed out part of your life, or you're in a very sad part of your life, or things are very difficult, it can be really hard to manifest abundance into your life. So I definitely also want to talk about crystals that help with anxiety and negative energy, in addition to those that help with abundance and peace and freedom. Next, we're going to be talking about the cost and where to buy your citrine. Now, let's talk about the cost. Citrine can vary drastically in price depending on size, location, and where you buy it. It can also depend on the quality and whether it's heat treated or natural. I've talked about heat treated and fake citrine on my channel many times. I'll link all the videos below. So I'm just gonna do a quick overview in case you are new to citrine and new to my channel. So small tumbled stones, you can pay anywhere from $3 to $10 and up. Medium raw or polished pieces, you can pay around $15 to $50 and up. And high quality natural statement pieces and clusters can be anywhere from $50 to $100 and up, sometimes $300 or $400. Citrine spheres or large polished pieces can tend to be in the $100 to $300 range, and that is just the price for natural citrine. You can find heat and lab treated citrine for much different, though I personally believe heat and lab treated citrine isn't quite as powerful. I do think it'll still work, but I think it's better to get the natural stuff, especially if you want to really manifest your financial abundance. And tumbled citrine in small towers can be relatively affordable. I actually have a crystal shop and sell tumbled citrine in small towers, all for under $10 and $20. So very affordable if you want the natural citrine from Brazil. You can find citrine online at my crystal shop. I have many friends who also have crystal shops who sell authentic citrine. You can also find it at gem shows. Most metaphysical shops do carry heat treated citrine. I found it harder to find retail stores carrying authentic citrine, but I have seen more carrying authentic citrine. Just be careful because there are so many fakes out there. Your best bet is to shop at a reputable crystal shop or online retailer like my crystal shop, ColdBrewCrystals.com, where I make sure to ensure every piece of citrine I have is authentic. We do not sell heat treated citrine citrine, just because my personal belief that citrine should be natural. We do sell it from Brazil, and sometimes we get pieces from Africa. Let's next talk about where citrine is mined. Where is it found? Most citrine on the market comes from Brazil, but it's also mined in Madagascar, Russia, and even in the United States. Brazilian citrine is often known for its bright yellow coloring. It can go from super dark cognac to a really light champagne color, whereas African citrine tends to be darker and richer in color. Citrine from Africa tends to have more of a smoky hue as well. One of my favorite specialty citrines is the Kundalini citrine. It is a raw form of citrine that has this beautiful stair-stepped celestial pattern on it. Often they look like castles. They're really quite beautiful raw specimens where you can only get those in Africa, and some of the citrine from Brazil is very unique to Brazil. Now let's talk about spotting fakes on the market. This is something I've learned to become an expert at over many years, so if you can't spot fake citrine right away, do not feel bad. It takes years and years and years to see the fakes, and the fakes are getting better and better and better as time goes on. That's why you really want to shop at a reputable crystal shop. If you buy citrine off of Temu, Amazon, Shein, any of those, Alibaba, any of those inexpensive websites, even TikTok Lucky Scoops, likely the citrine that you will be getting is heat treated, lab treated, or completely fake. So be very careful. Authentic citrine is pretty difficult to source, and as we talked about the price point, it is a little bit higher. So there should be a red flag if citrine is too cheap, too yellow, or in a cluster. So let's talk about this a little bit more. So unfortunately on the market there is a ton of fake citrine. Citrine is probably one of the most commonly faked crystals, and it's faked in two different ways. One being heat treated and one being lab treated or lab colored. Or there's also misidentified citrine out there on the market. So you first really want to look at the color, and I know this can be really hard, but I highly recommend looking at it on a bright sunny day. On a cloudy day or indoor lighting, it can sometimes be really hard to differentiate the color between smoky quartz citrine and lab citrine. So you really want to have good lighting when you're looking at whether something is fake or real. I have a full in-depth video on examples of fake versus real citrine on my channel. So real citrine is super clear. It has this golden color, and it's not too yellow, too brown. It is a very even color. Here is another natural citrine. Citrine can naturally be a little bit cloudy, but if it's very cloudy, it can be an indicator that it is fake. But this is the kind of color you want to look for. Anything that looks like mellow yellow or Mountain Dew should be a red flag. You also want to look at the shape. If you see a citrine cluster, many times that is just heat treated amethyst. They end up heating up the amethyst so it changes the color to a dark brown, orange, burnt color. It's very obvious to spot. I'll put a few pictures here because I personally don't own any heat treated citrine in cluster form. It's basically burnt amethyst. That's what I like to call it, but it should be very obvious. Now, some people do believe that this has the same healing properties. I personally don't, but it's just opinion based. There's no right or wrong. If you are personally drawn to heat treated or baked amethyst, that is 100% okay. There's nothing wrong with using it in your practice or your meditation or your manifestation. So in conclusion, citrine is more than just a beautiful crystal. It is a beacon of positivity, abundance, and creativity. Whether you're manifesting financial goals or simply adding a little bit of sunshine in your life, this stone has so much to offer you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do make tons of crystal content, and I'm looking forward to making more videos like this. I also do crystal unboxings and order packing videos on my YouTube channel. And if you're looking for authentic, high quality crystals, you can shop us over at ColdBrewCrystals.com. Let me know what crystal I should cover next, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!